About. I had a discussion with him about football. Above. There was a bridge above the river. Abroad. I am going abroad with my family. According to my point of view, she is a clever girl. Across. I can swim across the river. After. I went to sleep after I arrived home. Against. I am against dowry. Ago. This happened to me a while ago. Ahead of. We are always ahead of our schedule. Along. He is not going along with us. Amidst. Their visit took place amidst tight security. Among. I always wanted to live among my family. Amongst. She found it amongst a pile of old leaves. Apart. Apart from swimming, I also like surfing and skating. Around. They left around 6:30. As it's raining again, we'll not play cricket. As far as I know, he is a good man. As well as he broke the glass, as well as destroyed the kitchen. Aside. He threw his clothes aside. At. Right now, I am at work. Away. I am away from my home. Because of. I lost this match just because of you. Before. Finish this task before dawn. Behind. The cat is right behind the rat. Below. The temperature is below average today. Beneath. He thinks this work is beneath him. Beside. He sat beside her. Besides. You must learn other languages besides English and German. Between. This should remain between you and me. Beyond. You did this beyond my expectations. But. I want to go there, but I don't have my car right now. By. The house is by a river. By means of. I only wake up in the morning by means of an alarm clock. Close to. The hospital is close to the school. Despite. I love her despite her faults. Down. I went down to the kitchen. Due to some personal reasons, I will not attend the wedding. During. I will join the swimming classes during my holidays. Except. Everyone was invited except John. 4. There is good news for you. From. Where are you from? Hence. She has just got a pay rise, hence the new car. In. I live in Paris. In accordance with. In accordance with the doctor, he is very sick. In addition to. I study German in addition to English. In case of. Call me in case of any emergency. In front of. He insulted me in front of others. Inside. There was no one inside the house. Instead of doing this, again and again, you must try another option. Into. I am looking into this matter. Like. He is not like his brother. Near. The church is near my house. Next. I will join you there the next day. Next to. My house is next to the shopping center. Of. This is of no use to me. Off. He took her coat off. On. My book is on the table. On account of. She doesn't eat junk food on account of her health. On behalf of. She spoke on behalf of her brother. On top of. Put this book on top of the others. Onto. We climbed onto the shop's roof. Opposite. My two friends lived on opposite sides of the street. Out. I am going out for a walk. Outside. It is very cold outside. Over. When will the meeting be over? Owing to the rain, the match was cancelled. Prior to. This happened prior to my arrival. Round. I won the last round of the tournament. Since. He has been here since 7 o'clock. Then. Your apple is bigger than mine. Through. They walked through the meadows. Throughout. He has traveled throughout the world. Till. Reach there till 3 o'clock. 2. Don't do this to me. Towards. She was inclined towards her. Under. The cat is under the table. Underneath. I found my book underneath the chair. Unlike my brother, I am short. Until. I ran until I was out of breath. Up. Do not stand up. Upon. Once upon a time, there was a lion. Via. I will pay the bill via a credit card. With. Are you coming with us or not? With a view to. I decided to visit China with a view to enlarging my business. Within. I will be there within an hour. Without. I am not going anywhere without you. Worth. It's worth trying.